Hello, this is John Piper with a weekend video, and it's Saturday the 21st of March. Start with Bitcoin this morning, which is a fairly straightforward analysis. We saw the low back on the 13th, just over a week ago, around 3.9. We saw what could have been a 5-part one wave, followed by an ABC2, A, B, C2. So this could be a third wave. If so, it's a 1, 2, a 5-part 3 move, and now a 4. Now the 4, this is a bit sharp for the A wave. It's not impossible, but it can't go, at least it shouldn't go up below this level here. Wave 4s aren't meant to overlap with a wave 2. That's one slight worry, because this is an A. That's an A. Maybe we could see an ABC, I suppose, and then maybe another correction. But it become a rather big fourth wave compared to the 2 wave. The other worry is if this is an A wave, then A will equal C at 6,600, which of course is exactly where we've failed, basically. A little bit higher, but it's in that ballpark. So it could be just an ABC move here. So that is the key focus. As I've been saying, no real change of opinion. I think we're going to go higher, but we need to see the market prove that. At the moment, it's leaving its options open. So just to summarise this, we could have a 5-wave move, but that's a worry. Or it could be an A, B, C, and we could be this could be a 1, 2 of the next, maybe the final sell-off, but that's certainly one possibility at this moment in time. I expect the low to come in not far adrift from this level here, if we do go lower, but be ready for that kind of move. Ethereum tends to confirm the more bearish count here, in the sense we've got I think it's probably an A, a B, then a very weak C really. I mean, it hardly taken out the higher the A in fact. Leg down, 1, 2. So I think we're probably going down in fact on that count. But Bitcoin's a bit more positive. A clearer 5-wave move, but this is a 4. This can't be a 4 of 3. So it's taken out the wave 1 high. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. It just doesn't work at all. So I think probably it's an ABC. So just to show that, so I've changed the annotation here. A, B, C. Right, on to gold. Looking at gold, it's also trying to recover from quite a sharp fall. That's an ABC. I think it may be an A wave, mainly because the spike here looks encouraging. Also, this rally here, perhaps. So I think maybe we're going to see a C wave. So there is an opportunity for long positions there, and it maybe we'll see more than I'm expecting. But at the moment, the chart patterns are not too encouraging that the final low is in on either gold or crypto. This is silver. You see, just going sideways really at the lows. Not very encouraging at the moment. I mean, I suppose that could be a low. Maybe that is an important low, but no confirmation at this point. Similarly on FTSE, I mean, this is particularly feeble effort so far. Suggesting the low is not yet in. I mean, it looks like an A, B, C really. I mean, the C could extend. That's one possibility. But it doesn't look like we're seeing the kind of low that would mark the end of this particular move. I mean, even if we do rally at this point, we may just see a fairly strong perhaps rally, but it may be that the bear market will be with us for some time to come, as is expected of this virus, I think. I mean, the virus is going to continue to be with us for some months, certainly. I mean, maybe by the middle of the summer, it'll have become less critical. Apparently China is now on, the virus is actually retreating, so it started in December, I understand, so December to March is roughly 3 months. So around 3 months or so, you might see, I mean, Spain started in January apparently, so perhaps by sometime in April it may be on the retreat, perhaps. Italy was around the same, I think. But of course, if you take measures, as Spain is, to delay the virus, and of course it won't reach that critical mass as quickly, and it'll be with us longer, but hopefully not overwhelming the hospital services, etc., etc. But then you've got the problem with the self-employed businesses or other businesses who can't survive very long, or many of which can't survive very long, without income coming in, because they often have fixed costs. and very many. I think most businessmen probably rely on the cash flow day to day to actually make everything work. It's a real problem. What is the best thing to do? I think, but I think there's a possibility that Italy, Spain might see the worst of it in the next, say, 6 weeks. But as I say, with Spain deferring issues, that may take longer, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. It depends how you look at it. When looking at the DAX, I did see a key low maybe just below 8,000, 7955. I mean that looks like a 5, 1, 2, just below the 50% level. It's all rather faded here, hasn't it? 1, 2, 3. That's an overlap, doesn't work. 5. Well, it was looking potentially good at that point there, but since then, just more like an A, B, and a C. And so, even though we got a more aggressive rally than on FTSE, this may well be another pullback. We may well see new lows ahead of us here. On the Dow, we closed last night just around 19,000. Right, so on the Dow we closed just around 19,000. IG quote weekend prices, and the IG Dow price is down about 500 points, so already 500 points lower. Correspondingly, FTSE is down about 120 points on the weekend quote, and Germany's down 200 points. So it's still with us. The lows haven't held, as it were. The correction is just that, and there's more to come. Right, well, on that note, I'll call it a day. If that introduces back to the report on Tuesday for subscribers. Have a great weekend. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.